everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, September 24th, and this is going to be the second half of my paycheck to paycheck budget with me. I know we're looking at September 7th because I just kind of wanted to go over some things with you guys. So I didn't pay my energy bill, which is my light company, until this paycheck. And I just technically used that money and added it onto groceries because I ended up spending $180 of my money for groceries. And then with my credit repair, instead of paying the $350, I only just paid for my part of it. We just did mine for this month, so I ended up paying $199 instead. So I saved an extra $151, and we just decided that we were gonna do them a month at a time instead of trying to do a big lump sum. So that's why we didn't do that. And then for my boyfriend's exams, he's a mechanic, so he's starting to just do all of his certifications and stuff like that. So I'm helping him out with that, and so I'm paying for the registration and some of the classes. So I thought it was going to be $90 or around there, but ended up being $71. And then my car registration, I promise you guys that last year I should say, I paid $80, but who knows, it ended up being $71, so it was a $9 save for me. And then with my credit cards, I didn't end up paying the minimum on all of them, so that's why I just left it blank, because some of them get paid with this paycheck and then some of them get paid with my other paycheck. So I just left it blank, but I paid, I want to say $50 on my regular Capital One card, and then I just paid the minimum for my Capital One business card. I had $20 sent over to my savings account. We already talked about my groceries, and then for gas, I'm not sure why I budgeted $50, but I really used $80. And so that's that. So this is going to be for this half of this month and the beginning of next month, because I get paid semi-monthly. So my next pay won't be until October the 8th. So my phone bill is gonna automatically come out of my out of my account. I am a month behind on my phone bill, you guys, because I decided not to pay for it the month before, because I used it for something else, but I am going to catch back up on it. I will be getting a very good commission check next month, so I'm just going to catch back up it on then, or my boyfriend actually might just pay for that month's for that phone bill, so that we'll be caught back up with it. My car insurance went down a little bit because I have renter's insurance with them now. So instead of it being about like $156, $157, it's now $151. And then my renter's insurance is about $17, and then my internet is $94. I have been looking into getting it lowered. However, the plan that I have, which is unlimited, they don't offer that anymore. So they told me that I could get more bandwidth with the price that I'm paying. So instead of $200, I could get like $450 or $500, something like that. So I'm gonna look into it, but this looks like just what I'm gonna be paying for internet for now until I figure something out. And then last year, when I was in Florida, I got a ticket, and they charged me out the wazoo for that speeding ticket. So right now I am just making monthly payments of $50. But like I said, I believe my commission for next month is going to be pretty good, so I'll probably just go ahead and pay off all of that as well too, so I don't have to worry about it. And then these are the cards that I have to pay for this month. So you can just see the minimums on all of them. And for my Wells Fargo, I just went ahead and put $100 towards my Wells Fargo card, and then I'm thinking about doing $50 for the rest of them, just so that I'm not doing just the minimum. And then for my groceries, I plan for the rest of these 2.5 weeks to use about $70. I've already used $50, and I'll be going to the grocery store again today to just pick up a couple of things I need for the dinners that I'll be making this week. Other than that, I won't need anything else. For gas, I budgeted 80, and then BF stands for my boyfriend, and I'm paying for, or I have already paid for, another exam that he's actually taking today. So hopefully he passes it like he did the last one. So I hope you guys like my budget. If you guys have any questions, you can leave those questions in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.